provide a phone code and phone number for users to contact you. This option is required, and the phone number will be accessible to users after you accept their location. The same applies to email. Fill in the price, square footage, and website fields. While not mandatory, they are helpful for users. Describe your location thoroughly. This is a required field. Additionally, provide directions on how to reach your location, for example, by public transport. Location options are essential properties, and at least one option must be selected. These options help users filter information more accurately. Scroll down to Amenities and select at least one. For instance, you can add the electricity property and describe its features. You can also add your own amenity and provide a description. Finally, add images of your location with a minimum of 3 pictures and click the Create button. Congratulations, you've added your location and can now rent it out or bind it to your project. To edit or delete a created location, go to your profile page and find the locations icon in the profile menu. Now, let's return to the location card and examine it in detail. You can edit it by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Edit. You can also choose a country and main location options according to your preferences. Notice that the card borders are now violet, and at the bottom of the card, the current status is Considering. This status will change once we accept the location that fits this card. Click the Search For button to proceed to the next page. Here, you'll find all available locations filtered by the selected country and option. Review the locations and click the Options button to consider a location if it fits your criteria. Finally, let's discuss locations from third-party sources that do not belong to our service and can only be added within a specific project. Information about these locations is accessible only to project owners and managers. To add one, click the Add Out Service Location button and fill out the necessary fields. In addition to the standard fields, you must specify which screenplay location it is considered for and bind the additional location accordingly. Once added, the location will appear at the bottom of the location stage, where you can delete it or reserve it for a project. Additionally, on the Locations page, you'll find a Select menu on the right where you can change the location status if you have an agreement with its owner or are awaiting confirmation. Let's reserve first location to our project and see what will happen. The card border became green and search button is disappeared. Because our location belongs to me, this location automatically assigned to project like accepted, but if your reserve location belongs to another user, you should to wait for acceptation. That's it. You now know how to use the location stage and manage locations during your project. I hope this information helps you create your movie smoothly.